Hello, Chantel.
Daddy.
You jail now.
When are you paying the rent?
What do you mean? You are not doing well.
What a catastrophe!
Me that I bought you a brand new car. What is it going to cost for me to rent house for you? Reason I'm now. You should know that it's the situation of this in the country right now that is affecting me also. The rich also cry.
Which cry? Zaddy, which cry? Please don't stop lying.
Chantel, listen to me. If you not there today, you go there tomorrow. Reason with me. If I don't get today, I go get that tomorrow.
Reason with you. Please, leave me.
What a catastrophe!
Hello, Chantel. This guy cut color my neck.
Daddy, what is it?
Probaba, show me why don't take him and bye. Is it good what you are doing to me?
Alright, sit down, let's talk.
You will tell me whether what you are doing to me is good. You will tell me whether what you are doing to me is good. What's the problem now? I'm becoming a laughing stock in the society. I'm frustrated. What's going on? I will trade. Today, I have plenty money. In the blink of an eye, all the money have disappeared.
I understand the way you feel.
No. Please. You don't understand. You don't understand what I'm talking about. I'm losing my mojo. My street credibility is gone. All the freakies are angry with me. They are lambasting me.
Let's leave freakies aside and focus.
I don't understand. If we leave the freakies aside, what are we going to use to replace them?
Of course, discipline.
Discipline.
Yes.
Probaba, you now want to start insulting me. So me, I don't have discipline, Abi.
Discipline is the most important thing a trader needs. As a trader, the ability to control your emotions and stick to a trading plan is what we call discipline.
As how?
Now you need to understand what is called FOMO.
FOMO?
Yes, FOMO.
Which one is FOMO again?
FOMO is fear of missing out. Like you see everybody rushing to buy something, thinking it's going to be valuable. That fear of missing that opportunity, that is FOMO. And the only thing that can help you avoid FOMO is discipline.
I get you. So that I will not go and rush and make a bad decision.
Yes, because if you rush to make a trade out of FOMO, you might make a wrong decision.
Baba, wisdom will not finish you.
You just have to be calm and trade with discipline.
Okay.
In fact, Daddy, I'm doing a contest online where people come to share their bad experience trying to double their income. All they need to do is to make a post with the hashtag how to invest. And they stand a chance to have a free class with me.
No problem. That's very good. In fact, I will tell my friends. They are jealous of me. They say it's only me Probaba used to talk to. They say they want to know more about trading with Okta. So I said, well, look, I will go and tell them now. You better join the online contest so that you can have a one-on-one with Probaba and learn more about trading on Okta. And in fact, these 3 lessons that we've had has been a life-changing experience. You taught me a lot, and now is the time to even make more. Now that I know about FOMO and I know that I need discipline, I believe that I will earn more. See you at the top. I will even send you some.
What a catastrophe!
A very bad
boy. Now I know FOMO, fear of missing out. Out of the fear of missing out, let me quickly call Chantel and promise her a rent.
What a catastrophe!
Daddy, what? Daddy, what?
Mommy, what?
Who are you talking to?
No, it's Otumba. He's begging me for his rent. He says his mommy died.
What a catastrophe!